Stop worrying now. Peace is right here. 1. The urgent need for stillness and the instant Zen stop. I know the feeling. That feeling where your mind is a non-stop, high-speed train, racing through hundreds of thoughts, from work deadlines and unpaid bills to the endless scroll of social media. It's why, even when you're finally in bed, your brain is still pulling an all-nighter. We live in a world where worry isn't just an emotion, it's the default state. We're taught to do more, to think more, to control everything. But I'm here to tell you that this very obsession with control is what's stealing your peace. We need a solution, not a complex philosophical one, but a tool you can use to immediately break that cycle. In the world of Zen, we call this, just this. It's not a magic spell, but an invitation to return to the present moment, right now, and step out of the storm of your thoughts. Let's try a quick exercise together. It doesn't matter if you're sitting on a chair, standing in your kitchen, or anywhere else. Just give me 15 seconds. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Now, simply focus on one single sense. For example, listen to all the sounds around you. The traffic outside, the hum of your AC, or even the sound of your own heartbeat. Don't analyze them, don't judge them, just listen, or, if you prefer, feel your feet on the floor. Notice the pressure, the temperature of the ground beneath you. Just feel it. That's just this. By bringing your full attention to a single anchor point, even for just a moment, you've successfully broken the chain of anxious thought. You've proven to your mind that it's capable of a pause, of a momentary rest. This technique not only provides instant calm but also builds a new habit, the ability to return to an immediate state of peace whenever you need it. It's the first step to reclaiming your mind, not by fighting it, but by gently guiding it back to its true home, the present moment. Now that we have a powerful tool for stopping, how do we maintain that stillness? In the next part, we'll explore how your own breath can become your anchor for emotional healing. 2. The breath as your anchor for healing. If part 1 was about pressing the pause button, then part 2 is about finding your safe haven. Once you've created that moment of stillness, the next question is, where do you go? And the answer is simpler than you think. You go to your breath. Your breath is the one constant in your life, a reliable, always present anchor that can pull you out of the choppy waters of worry. But we're not just talking about deep breaths here. We're talking about using your breath as a tool for emotional healing. You see, our emotions aren't just abstract feelings. They're physical sensations in our bodies, a tight chest, a knot in our stomach, a racing heart. When we're anxious, we often hold our breath, unconsciously trapping that energy inside. Zen teaches us to use the breath to acknowledge these sensations, to give them space to be, and then to gently release them. This is a profound shift from fighting your emotions to working with them. Here is a simple but powerful practice you can use anytime, anywhere. We'll call it the healing breath. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Take a moment to just feel the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't try to change it yet. Just observe. Now, as you breathe in, I want you to mentally say the word, accept. As you inhale, you are accepting the feeling of anxiety, of worry, or any emotion you're holding. You're giving it permission to exist, without judgment. And as you breathe out, mentally say the word, release. You're not getting rid of the emotion, but simply releasing the tension that comes with it. Inhale. Accept, exhale, release. This isn't about making the feeling disappear, it's about changing your relationship with it. When you feel a wave of worry, you can go back to this simple practice. It's a non-confrontational way to acknowledge what you're feeling and then create space for it to pass. By mindfully using your breath, you are actively participating in your own emotional healing, clearing the way for a calmer mind and body. It's the key to truly reducing anxiety at a fundamental level. And as the day winds down, this very practice becomes your gateway to the best sleep you've ever had. In the final part, we will turn this powerful tool into a nightly ritual to help you transition from the worries of the day to a state of deep, restorative sleep. Before we move into the final part of today's journey, I want to offer you a small but meaningful suggestion. If something in these words has touched your heart, if this message resonated with you, help us kindly press the like button. Your support helps spread peace and wisdom to others. Then consider gently pressing the save button and adding this video to your watch later playlist. Think of it as placing a smooth stone in your pocket during a quiet walk, a reminder you can return to whenever life feels heavy. Or when your mind longs for stillness. With one click, you create a path back here without the noise of searching, without the rush of time. Later, when the world outside is too loud, you can simply open that list. And this space will be waiting, calm, familiar, ready to meet you again. Let's continue with the next part. Three. From worry to peace, your nightly Zen ritual. Now that you have the tools to pause and find your anchor during the day, it's time to apply them to the most crucial part of your life, your sleep. For many of us, the moment we lie down is when our mind finally has a chance to catch up and bombard us with everything we've been trying to outrun all day. This is why a nightly Zen ritual isn't a luxury, it's an essential step toward a calm mind and truly deep sleep. A Zen ritual isn't about complex ceremonies, it's about a simple, conscious transition from the day's doing to the night's being. It's about giving your mind a clear signal that the time for worrying is over. So, let's make the last 10 minutes before you fall asleep a sacred space. Begin by lying down on your back, getting as comfortable as you can. Close your eyes and return to the mindful breathing we practiced earlier. Feel the rise and fall of your belly with each inhale and exhale. With every breath out, imagine you are gently releasing the tension you've been carrying, the stress from work, the little annoyances, the endless to-do list. Just let them go. Next, we'll do a simple body scan. Bring your awareness to your feet and toes. Feel them grow heavy and relaxed. Then, move your attention up to your calves, your thighs, your hips, and your stomach. With each part of your body, simply notice any tension and breathe into it, allowing it to soften and release. Continue moving up through your chest, your shoulders, your arms and hands, all the way up to your neck, jaw, and the muscles around your eyes. Feel your whole body becoming heavy and at ease, sinking into the mattress. This isn't just a trick to help you fall asleep faster. It's a powerful practice that trains your mind to let go of the day's worries and make space for genuine, restorative rest. By turning your bedtime into a conscious ritual, you're not just hoping to sleep better, you are actively creating the conditions for it. So there you have it. The path from worry to peace isn't about fighting your thoughts, but about learning to pause, using your breath as an anchor, and creating a nightly ritual that prepares your mind and body for true rest. If this video resonated with you and you want to continue this journey of inner growth and finding balance in your life, I invite you to join our community. Subscribe to Buddhism in You to receive more tools and insights on this journey. New videos are posted every week to help you live a more peaceful and mindful life. Thank you for being here. May your mind be calm and your sleep be deep.